Welcome back my channel. In this video, we will be showcasing an exciting and unique techniques for wall paints ideas. Get ready to be amazed by the mesmerizing beauty of geometric wall paint designs and textures. In this video, all design of geometric wall paint texture designs. So please enjoy this video and like share from friends and family members. And do not forget to subscribe my channel. The professional designer geometric wall paint design image. This video is perfect for you. Watch and learn as we guide you through the step-by-step processes of creating stunning geometric wall paint designs. Get ready to transform in any space with this innovative technique. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more inspiration content like this. Let us dive in and explore the world of wall paint together. Take care and bye bye. See you soon. Do not skip the video.